Are you looking for the best portable car jack? In this video, we will break down the top 5 portable car jacks on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Big Red T10152 Jack Car Kit. This car jack is suitable for vehicles of most heights, so it will work with your low-profile sports car or compact SUV. Its weight capacity is 3,000 pounds. This jack is storable, affordable, and powerful. It's strong enough to lift your vehicle and weighs only 10 pounds, so it's small enough to fit in compact rides from Coopers to Corollas. The Big Red Jack fits under your vehicle and lifts as you crank the tension rod. Its extra-wide base and heavy-duty steel construction keep the jack in your vehicle stable while you work. At number 2. ROGTZ Electric Car Floor Jack. This one is one of the best ones for the sedan and for SUV-typed vehicles. It is electrically powered, defining its easy operation. As it is framed by heavy-duty thickening steel plates, high durability is ensured. High durability is certainly a positive outcome for the money. It comes up with a built-in light which increases visibility in low light. This jack is also equipped with an auto-stop mechanism that ensures safety. Two-way power supply and quick jack-up have made it a very demanding one. It is mostly compatible with a quick flat tire change while on the go. It just takes 1 minute to jack up the whole package. So, you won't have to spend a lot of time after jacking up the whole package to start working. This increases the efficiency of the user a lot. At number 3. Pro Lift F767 Gray Low Profile Floor Jack. This floor jack, designed by Pro Lift, is a handy, low-profile floor jack. The weight of the car that can be lifted using this floor jack is 2 tons. The bypass device that is present in this car jack is unique and patented by Pro Lift. The highlight of the floor jack, however, is the extra low profile that allows it to reach a clearance as low as 3.5 inches. The construction of this hydraulic floor jack uses heavy-duty steel, which is also resistant to rust. At number 4. Arcan 3-ton Quick Rise Aluminum Floor Jack. This portable jack has a 3-ton capacity and lifts to an impressive height of 18 1/8 inches. Moreover, this jack is able to get under low-profile cars easily. Its dual pistons provide fast rising, smooth action and are designed with a dust shield that prevents hydraulic contamination. Its streamlined and sleek design is highly impressive. It weighs only 56 pounds and is 7 inches in height, which makes it incredibly portable and easy to store when not in use. With a minimum lift height of just 3/3/4 of an inch, the Arcan ALJ3T is ideal for sports and imported cars that have low side skirts. However, its high lift capacity also makes it best for large vehicles like some SUVs and vans. It is designed with a fortified lift arm that provides increased strength, thick side plates. It provides users with easy maneuverability and stability with its protective rubber saddle pad, and ball bearing mounted wheels. At number 5. Blackhawk B6350 Fast Lift Service Jack. This jack makes sure that all of these terms are met without compromising quality. To uphold this practice, Blackhawk has manufactured some of the most appreciated car jack models throughout the years. The new Blackhawk jack is a bright instance of that. Crafted with premium raw materials that come with world-class safety features, this model has features that wow automobile enthusiasts.